This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough. When you break down FXPrismus pricing, the structure is clearly built around multiple account types, designed to match different trading styles. Rather than forcing everyone into one cost model, FXPrismus offers Classic, Pro, Zero, and Synthetics accounts, each with a different balance between spreads, commissions, leverage, and minimum deposits. The Classic account is positioned as the entry-level option, using wider spreads starting around the mid-pip range with zero commission and a very low minimum deposit that makes it accessible to beginners who want simple pricing without per-trade fees. Leverage on this account can scale very high depending on equity levels, which lowers the capital barrier but increases risk exposure. The Pro account tightens spreads significantly, often around sub-pip levels, but introduces a fixed commission per lot depending on platform choice. This pricing structure targets experienced traders who want more predictable execution costs and tighter bid-ask pricing for intraday or swing trading. The Zero account pushes spreads down to zero on major instruments, but offsets that with a per-lot commission, making it more suitable for scalpers or high-frequency traders who prioritize spread compression over simplicity. FXPrismus also offers a synthetics account with ultra-tight spreads and extremely high effective leverage, designed specifically for traders looking to trade proprietary synthetic instruments rather than traditional forex pairs. Across all account types, FXPrismus uses MT4 and MT5 as its core platforms, keeping pricing execution familiar and widely supported. Minimum deposits vary significantly depending on account selection, which gives flexibility but also requires traders to choose carefully based on their actual strategy rather than marketing labels. Leverage scales dynamically based on equity tiers, meaning risk exposure increases as account balances change, which can be powerful but dangerous without disciplined risk management. Feature-wise, FXPrismus positions itself as a multi-asset broker, offering forex, indices, metals, energies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. The platform environment focuses on stability rather than heavy customization, relying on MetaTrader's ecosystem for indicators, automation, and strategy development. On the pro side, FXPrismus offers flexible account structures, high leverage availability, multiple pricing models to suit different trading styles, and compatibility with industry-standard platforms. Traders who understand spread versus commission trade-offs can fine-tune their costs based on how frequently they trade and which instruments they focus on. On the con side, pricing complexity can be confusing for newer traders, especially when comparing spread-only versus zero-spread accounts with commissions. High leverage options amplify both gains and losses, making the platform less forgiving for undisciplined risk management. Some traders may also find the platform experience more functional than modern, as FXPrismus relies heavily on MetaTrader rather than proprietary trading environments. Overall, FXPrismus rewards traders who already understand cost structures and execution mechanics rather than those looking for simplified, guided trading experiences. Eightcap approaches pricing with a clean, execution-first philosophy that avoids unnecessary complexity. Rather than offering multiple layered account tiers, it focuses on two core pricing models: a standard spread-based account and a raw spread account with commissions. The standard account wraps trading costs directly into the spread, making it easy for traders who want straightforward pricing without tracking per-trade fees. Spreads are positioned to remain competitive and accessible, which makes this account type suitable for retail traders starting with modest capital and looking for predictable costs. The raw account is where Eightcap becomes particularly attractive to active and professional traders. Spreads can start from near zero pips, with a fixed commission applied per lot traded. This setup is ideal for scalpers, algorithmic traders, and high-frequency strategies where execution precision and spread consistency matter more than simplicity. Importantly, Minimum deposit requirements remain relatively approachable, lowering the barrier to accessing institutional-style pricing compared to brokers that reserve raw spreads for very high account balances. Feature-wise, Eightcap places strong emphasis on platform flexibility, speed, and trader control. Users can trade through MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and direct TradingView integration, covering a wide range of trading preferences. TradingView access stands out, especially for traders who rely on advanced charting, custom indicators, PineScript strategies, and cloud-based analysis, rather than traditional terminal-only workflows. Execution quality is a central strength. Eightcap promotes low-latency infrastructure, expert advisor compatibility, and stable order execution even during volatile market conditions. Risk management tools such as stop losses, take profits, and pending orders are standard, while educational resources, market insights, and analysis tools are available for traders who want additional context. On the pro side, Eightcap delivers competitive raw pricing, strong execution speed, TradingView integration, multi-platform support, and broad market access. It suits traders who value flexibility, automation, and technical analysis without being locked into complex account structures. On the con side, beginners may find the platform less guided compared to education-heavy brokers, and traders who prefer heavy account management or structured coaching may feel underserved. Some users also mention a learning curve when transitioning to raw pricing or advanced platforms, particularly when managing commissions and execution settings. In terms of user feedback, FXPrismus currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.9 out of 5, with customer comments frequently highlighting professionalism, long operational history, responsive account managers, and solid execution quality. Eightcap holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.1 out of 5, with frequent praise for fast execution, reliable platforms, and helpful support, alongside occasional comments about market availability and suitability for beginners. Final takeaway: FXPrismus is better suited for traders who value structured account tiers, defined leverage rules, and a more service-oriented trading experience with clear expectations at each level. Eightcap, by contrast, is built for traders who prioritize execution speed, platform flexibility, TradingView connectivity, and competitive raw pricing without unnecessary friction. Neither platform is universally better. The right choice depends on whether you want guided structure or performance-first independence. If this breakdown helped you decide which broker aligns with how you actually trade, hit like, subscribe for more no-nonsense broker comparisons, and click the link below to explore the platform that fits your strategy.